I'll guide you through how to create an Amazon affiliate account without your application being rejected or your account suspended. If you're looking to turn your content into passive income, or you want to monetize your blog and social media, and you want to create an Amazon affiliate account, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here is the complete process to create an Amazon affiliate account. Before you even apply, you must have an active website, YouTube channel, or social media profile with at least 10 pieces of content and some engagement. Amazon will review these platforms, so ensure they are public and not under construction. To start the application, go to the Amazon Associates homepage at affiliate-program.amazon.com and click Sign Up. It's highly recommended to use a new Amazon account for your business separate from your personal shopping account. You will fill out your personal information and then list all of your websites and social media accounts where you plan to use affiliate links. Next, you'll create a unique store ID and describe your content. After you submit your application, you must make at least 3 qualified sales within the first 180 days to be fully approved. If you don't meet this goal, your account will be closed. Focus on this goal right from the start. Once your application is submitted, you can enter your tax and payment information. This includes your Social Security number or EIN and your preferred payment method, such as a direct deposit to your bank. With your account set up, you can start using the SiteStripe tool at the top of every Amazon page to easily generate your unique affiliate links. By this, you have successfully created your Amazon affiliate account. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more e-commerce video tutorials. Thanks for watching.